So welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Helen of Troy. I'm gonna be doing my lashes. I was supposed to be doing something else for Vlogmas, but we're gonna go on with our lashes because I have to start getting ready for this weekend. And I haven't used the brown lashes or colored lashes in a long time, and they're completely different than the ones that I have here. Let me just show you guys this way. So these are like the new ones that I have, and then I'm gonna be using like these spikes in between for the brown, and with the brown hair. I wish my hair was washed, but we'll figure that out and what I'm wearing later on. So I'm gonna be trying a new lash map. I usually like write them down here. I'm gonna be doing like a baby doll eye. I'm gonna try my best to walk you guys through it, but first, this thing that I haven't done in a long time is like putting the lashes on the actual like one I'm gonna be including. So what you need is some tweezers, and these are the Falscara tweezers, and I have these Falscara glues, some alcohol to clean, and then lash or brow spoolie, and like a mirror. And I'm gonna be looking down like this so you guys can see, like, that's how I know like I'm putting it where it's supposed to go. And I also have like this lash overnight bonder. I got it on Amazon, and I've tried, these lashes are from Amazon. I've tried different like lashes on Amazon. I really like these because they're like very volume. They have a lot of volume. So okay, so I'm gonna be doing 14, and then 16, 16, 18, and then 16. So kind of like a cat eye and open eye, but it's still gonna be full of volume. And where I'm gonna be adding the lashes is gonna be with the 16 ones, or maybe in the 18, because they are 15 millimeters. And yeah, so let me see, I'm actually gonna pick up an 18. They kind of look like they will go with 18. I usually put it in the inside, but like this is the it's not really gonna show much. It's just gonna give kind of like a, let's see if it focuses. It's gonna kind of give like a pop of color in the lash. If it was the red one, which I only use once doing my lashes, don't mind my nails because that's up next, okay? Yeah, the last time I did that, which I might add like 2 or 3, or maybe let's see if I put in the inside. You can't really see it, so it's kind of like pointless if I put it on the inside, you know what I mean? Use some of the bonder, put it on the base of the lash, down, so it could get a little bit tacky. And when I do it like on the inside, this is what I usually do. I put some on the base of the lash like this. As you can see, it's black and you don't need too much. So maybe we can fix the lighting here. Alrighty, to it. And the reason you need alcohol is obviously to make sure your tools are sanitized, and also make sure it's not sticking, because this thing will stick it's not supposed to. Like it'll start getting tacky and you're gonna be struggling with the tweezers. And this whole time I was taking a lash break, I honestly wasn't oiling my lashes, and I should be, because the way I be taking these off, like, if you guys hear some talking in the background, that is a Zoom call I'm on right now. Okay, so this is how the lashes are looking. I'm honestly just going to keep them full and use all of them that I made, except for the last one, since I don't have that size, and the inner corner, I don't want it to bother me that much. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on and show you guys, and then I'll do the other half, or the other eye, and then I'll be checking back in with you because I have to charge my camera. First things first is making sure the tweezers are clean, because we're gonna start working with our eyes now. And then, so we're going 16, 18, 18, 18, 16, 14. Looking at my lashes, I'm just gonna brush them a little bit. And don't worry about that tacky layer that's on the outside, because once we put the sealer on it, it's gonna take the tacky layer off. So the way you want to put this is not like mascara. Just want to put it on the bottom of your lash. Guys, so camera did die and I decided to just do one eye and show you guys. So I'm back to show you how I'm gonna do the left eye. And still make those faces. So the camera died and I did my right eye, as you guys can see, super dark. I did have to add one extra one here. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm making these faces. This might be a little bit hard to show you guys like this, so this is what I do. And then I just place the lash, tug it, make sure it's like tacky. Tug, and then place it where you want to. And I use like this side. And go with the next one. Let's see what I'm doing. Then once I put like the third one, I'm gonna show you what I do in between. Sometimes I do it, see how? Sometimes when it's already getting dry, you don't have to like tease the lash. And I just go like this. Make sure like I'm securing them at the bottom. And that's why you don't want to do it at the top. Like brush it all the way to the top, the bonder, because then you're kind of gluing your own lash to the extensions, and then when they come out, then you're risking your lashes to get stuck to the extensions, and you don't want that. It's crazy, right? How much of a difference the lashes make. For some people, this will probably be too full. But honestly, I made them more full by adding the brown to it, and I kind of like how it looks, because like when you look at them in person, because it really gives like a cute highlight. And these over here, sometimes I take it all the way into the inner corner, but I honestly don't feel like having like really dark eyes. So I'm gonna move this one, place it up there. Okay guys, so once I have this one on, all the lashes on, I just go back and start to go in and pinch the lashes. Then I'm gonna go in with this overnighter, and again, just putting it at the bottom of the lash. And what I do, I kind of just tap the bottom. Every time I say I'm not gonna do crazy lashes, I end up with crazy lashes. But I got big eyes, so I think they just go. And then the sealer, and the same thing at the bottom, because if you go like that, you're gonna have a white cast. And I've said this when I started doing this, maybe like 2-3 years ago. And when I tell you, I've had to explain this, and I send people my videos. Sometimes they just wanna, you know, do what they wanna do. Hey, it's your lashes, it's your eyes, homegirl. But I've been there, done that, have the experience, so I like to share with you what I do. And also, like, if you put this like on the tips or something, it might cause the lashes to clump together if you want that look, but I like to keep them as fluffy as possible as I can. And then just brush them out. I can't wait to do my brows, guys. And I keep referring to you, my Spartans, as guys, but honestly, I know it's girls and guys here, so I'm not calling you ladies guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hair is looking a little crazy, but it's time for bed. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see me do next. Is it the process of the nails, wax? Let me know. Self-care. Oh, the hair, duh, of course. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Let me know what you guys think of the lashes. Let me see if I can do a close-up. That's what they look like when you close your eyes. Guys, don't judge my eyebrows, but just focus on the lashes.